Well, there's a ram. It's gonna go over there. That old ram looks moody, territorial. Don't want to get rammed into this pond. They look as cold and wet as me. Look at him staring me out, chewing his gum, his grass. Oh, they're fenced in anyway, I can be braver. Oh my god, my feet are sinking. Yo, where's that ram? Actually, I'll show you this. This is a right pain, this weather.